everyone. Another week has gone by. This is week 2 of my Am I Going to Monetize My Channel? Well, clearly not at the amount of subscribers that I've got at the moment, that's for sure anyway. But things that I've learnt this week and I will put into practice from now on. 1, I must not wear dangly earrings that interfere with my little microphone in the car. Not a good idea. And for all those gentlemen out there, if you wear dangly earrings, just stop. The second thing is that if you have a noisy car, there's not much you can do about it. You have to try to edit the sound to be muted. And sometimes you can do that in iMovie. I tried and muted it a little bit, but obviously not completely. Also, you mustn't do this because, oh my goodness, it clatters and it makes the most dreadful noise. So you just have to stay away from your microphone, and clearly I didn't. And you poor people have been the recipient of the noise that I made doing it. The other thing that I've realised is that when you're making videos at home, lighting is crucial. So I think I have got a little ring, well, I've got quite a large ring light actually, but the lighting isn't that good. And I've got 2 other little lamps, but they were a little harsh, and so I put 2 layers of kitchen roll over them to try to dampen their light. But I think I am going to have to invest in one of those sort of umbrella things with a white cover, like a studio light. I think you can get them reasonably inexpensively for what they are on Amazon. So I'm going to have a look at those later on today and see what I can find. If I find something perhaps that isn't as exorbitantly expensive as others that I've seen, and clearly they are for professionals, then I will put a link in the video once I've got them, maybe next week. So, thank you for watching. If you've had value from this video, can I ask you a very big favour to support this little channel and help it grow by subscribing? It doesn't cost a penny. It would give me such a thrill. I'm childlike about a new subscriber, and I do reply to all of my comments. So if you comment, know that you're not commenting into the ether and nobody's ever going to get to see it. I will reply. And also, if you do subscribe, and I really hope you do, that you hit the notifications bell, and then you'll be notified when, yours truly puts up a new video. So for the moment, I do hope you've had some value out of those stats, because frankly, I didn't understand any of them, but there you go, that's me. And I will let you know how I've got on next week. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for watching. I hope you've had some benefit from seeing all my fabulous stats, and I suspect you understand them far better than I. I will see you next week. and perhaps I'll have one or more new subscribers. You never know. I keep my fingers crossed, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a lovely week. Bye.